The MAXYOYO 2-in-1 folding sofa bed feels like a small rebellion against boring furniture. It looks playful, feels indulgent, and somehow manages to be practical at the same time. This is not the floppy beanbag of decades past, nor is it a stiff futon pretending to be comfortable. It lives somewhere in between, and that's exactly why it works. At its core, this piece is about easy transformation. Folded up, it functions as a compact floor sofa, perfect for watching TV, gaming, or reading. Unfolded, it stretches into a lounger or bed long enough for a full nap or even overnight sleep. The transition takes seconds. No frames to lock, no metal bars to wrestle with. Just fold, unfold, and settle in. It adapts quietly to whatever the day asks for, after school lounging, weekend movie marathons, or an unexpected sleepover. The shell-shaped backrest is what sets it apart visually. Inspired by seashell curves, it adds texture and charm without tipping into childish design. In kids' rooms and playrooms, it feels fun and inviting. In bedrooms or casual living spaces, it reads as cozy rather than cartoonish. More importantly, that curved back actually works. Once fully expanded, it stays upright and supportive instead of collapsing backward, offering real back support for sitting and lounging. Inside, the filling does the heavy lifting. This is not loose beads rolling around aimlessly. The chair is stuffed with resilient foam that holds its shape and rebounds well after use. It doesn't flatten after sitting, leaning, or stretching out. The support lands in a comfortable middle ground, not overly plush, not rigid, making it suitable for both relaxing and sleeping. Adults up to average height can lie fully extended with a little room to spare, while kids and teens treat it like their personal throne. Wrapped around that structure is faux fur fabric that feels unapologetically soft. It's the kind of texture that invites bare feet and lazy afternoons. The surface is smooth, cozy, and warm, adding to the emotional appeal of the piece. It doesn't just look comfortable, it signals comfort from across the room. Practicality shows up in small but thoughtful ways. A built-in carry handle makes it easier to move from room to room, which matters because this chair has some weight to it. That weight comes from quality materials, not bulk, but younger kids may still need help repositioning it. The underside includes a slip-resistant base, so once it's placed on hardwood or tile, it stays put instead of drifting across the floor. Like most foam-filled furniture, it arrives compressed and needs time to breathe. Out of the package, it looks smaller than expected, then slowly expands over about 48 hours. A little patience and a few gentle pats go a long way. Even before full expansion, it's usable, but once fully settled, the shape becomes more defined and supportive. This chair quietly proves its versatility through real-life use. Teenagers lounge on it for hours, kids nap on it, visiting relatives unfold it and sleep through the night. Grandparents are surprised by how chair-like it feels. It becomes a shared favorite, passed from room to room, pulled into movie nights, and claimed during quiet afternoons. The MAXYOYO 2-in-1 folding sofa bed isn't trying to replace a traditional couch or a formal guest bed. It's designed for relaxed living, spaces where comfort matters more than formality. Durable, cheerful, and genuinely comfortable, it delivers far more than nostalgia ever did, and does it with a softness that makes people smile without quite knowing why.